Welcome back to our channel. Since our last video, we've received a lot of positive feedback and many questions. So today, we want to share some technical details about Flare's web development capabilities. Our goal is to get you even more excited about things you can do in ServiceNow. In this video, we'll provide you with a detailed overview of the actual web development pipeline that we run directly from ServiceNow. One quick note, you will notice some differences in the UI and processing steps compared to the previous video. And that is because we actually decided to give you as much developer freedom and power as we can, without abstracting or hiding any actions. So let's get started. First, let's create a new project, which is essentially the same Hello World project we created in the previous video. We'll give it a name, URI, and pick the Hello World boilerplate. Now watch closely what will happen. Yes, you're right. You're looking at a terminal window in ServiceNow, and you see how boilerplate packages are installed in real time. Let me take a moment to explain what's happening here. In web development, at least as of February 2023, we need a Node.js environment to bundle and build a web project. So Flare creates an isolated server environment for your project and installs all the required packages for your app. We call these environments stateless, because they can be destroyed or reloaded at any point, and you won't lose any data since all the files are stored in ServiceNow. ServiceNow is your primary source control system. With Flare, you can have hundreds of web development projects on a single ServiceNow instance, and every project will be isolated, with its own environment ready to go in less than 1 or 2 seconds. Let's go back to web development. If you're familiar with React, Webpack, bundling, etc., the next steps might be jaw-dropping because we're running npm commands directly from ServiceNow. Let's start development server with npm run dev and open our app. Now the fun part. Let's change something in our app. Change the text, press Ctrl S, and as you can see, we have hot reloading that takes fractions of a second. Yes, it's hard to believe, but our application that we just created and started from ServiceNow has a development mode hot reloading. Let's build the app. This will create a package for ServiceNow. It may take a few seconds based on the application complexity and number of packages, and you usually do that right before deployment and then deploy. Deployment takes less than a second. And now we can check our application deployed and running on ServiceNow. Let me show you one more thing. That's a Flare website landing page we've just built, which includes the ability to subscribe to the news and send comments or questions. And yes, this has been built in ServiceNow. We can run it dev mode, and then deploy and check that development. Well, we do not host the real Flare website on ServiceNow, but wanted to give you a glimpse of what's possible with Flare Web Development Toolkit. Go to the real Flare website, go to flaredev.io, subscribe, and expect many exciting news soon.